Lot number 462 is a 30T air compressor. This compressor has a Kohler Command Pro engine, which starts right up. The motor has electric start, and it also has a pull start. And I connected the jump box to it and bypassed it, went straight to the starter, and it started right up. The 30T, I don't know if it's producing air pressure or not, or if it's working or not. I still don't know the reason why they're parting with it. So, but it appears to be complete. The compressor's in place, the belt is in place, all the connections appear to be in place. So let's start it up and let me show you how it starts. All right, I'm gonna do this with one hand. Wait, I gotta open the switch first. Okay, here we go. All right, it's running. Sounds really good. Pressure building. I'm gonna turn it off now. All right, I don't see air pressure building. The gauge is not moving. I don't know if it's me that I have to touch a valve or something, open a valve or close a valve. I don't know, but I'm gonna say it's not working because I don't know how to work it. So it may be good, it may be bad, but I can tell you the engine is good. The tank looks good, and it could be fixed if it's broken. All right, good luck.